Have you ever noticed that when we are sitting on the chair, so that time we say that we are sitting on the chair right now, but why don't we say इन द टर्म ऑफ प्लेटफॉर्म? हम लोग क्यों यूज ऑन का उपयोग नहीं करते जब हम लोग किसी रेलवे स्टेशन पर खड़े होते हैं? सो वेलकम बैक टू द वीडियो ऑफ preposition, and in this video I'm going to teach you the top 10 widely used preposition. And after watching this video, you can't even learn lots of prepositions, but you can also teach to anybody. So please watch this video till the end so that you can learn all the things that I have taught in this video. So without any procrastination, let's get started. Welcome back. First word is on. On which means कोई भी चीज़ किसी के ऊपर होना. For example, और वो एक दूसरे के साथ टचे हुए हो, which means touched. So when something is placed over something else and while touching, so we can say that I am sitting on the tree. You can see that. Next word is over. कोई भी चीज़ किसी के ऊपर होता है ना बिना छुए हुए, so that time we can say over. So let's make a sentence on this word and say that there is a umbrella over my head. You can see that my head is not touching the umbrella and the umbrella is not touching my head. So in this case we can say that there is an umbrella over my head. Next word is at. It points out something specific, time, place, and direction something. Most of the students get confused in recognizing the real meaning of this word. At का मतलब होता है क्या कि कोई भी किसी निश्चित स्थान, जगह और किसी निश्चित डायरेक्शन में होता है. For example, somebody is at the station, railway station. So in this case, somebody is not on the station. If you think about railway station, so we are around the railway station. We are not at the top of the station. So this is why. Second, I can say that we are at the door. If we say that we are on the gate, not we are at the gate, because we are around the gate. We are not at the top of the gate. So this is why I hope that you must have recognized the original meaning of this word. So the next word is under. Under, which means something is below something else. Let me tell you in Hindi that कोई भी चीज़ किसी चीज़ के नीचे होना, under we can say that. So let's understand this through example. So recently you can say that I have a bottle. So we can make a sentence that I'm going to put the bottle under the chair. You can see that I put the bottle under the chair. You can see that the bottle is under the chair. So next word is into, which means to moving inside something else. So let's understand this word through example. Right now you can see that I am putting the water into the glass. So here you have seen that that time the water was moving. So this is why we can say that I put the water into the glass. So I hope that you must have understood this word as well.